So, first off, we have this. What's it called, Harper?
It is called a pop tube.
It's called a pop tube. Sorry, I don't know about their names. Okay. All right. Now let's put it back for her so she doesn't have to do it herself. I know it is pretty fun doing it. Okay, so we're going to put that back. Now this thing that I had at the beginning of the video, and it comes out so you can hear it. It's very cool. If you get a couple of them, it makes a weird sound. Anyway, we're going to put that back for her. Yeah. Okay, so, now we have this water snake, and wow, there's some bubbles in there. Okay, so you can see that there's I love it, and what I do is I put my fingers in it, and then I just push. Boom! It's really fun, but we're gonna put that back. Okay. Now we have this really cool ball. I think it opens. Does this open?
No.
Okay, I think it's just a bouncy ball because it does not open. I just asked her. All right. It has a smiley, cute face. Okay, then we have this. What is this?
It's called a DNA ball.
A DNA ball. I do not know that. Look, it's really cool, and it also have like right here. If you see that is like a little light thing. But we're like fogged up in the car, so because we just got these. All right, and then she has. Was that the one I showed you? Yeah, it was. Okay. Then we have this really cool Slinky. Yeah, I'm in my sister's room too. Just telling you that's not It's really fun. Cool. But we are gonna put this back. Okay, now we have a squishy Neato. I love this especially because it is a little flattened out, and the flat ones are very nice because it's so soft and cuddly. All right, let's put that back. Then we have this egg, and it's my sister tricked me, right, Harper, that you thought that this was real egg. Don't know I believed it. Okay, and then we're not gonna. The reason I didn't open that little egg was because I didn't want these stuff to spoil on the carpet. In case I did, my sister would get very mad. Wouldn't you, Harper?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's just really cool. Boom. Yeah. Boom. Where did that go? Okay. Then we have this slime. She takes random things apparently for her fidgets, don't you?
Sometimes.
Sometimes, really, like this thing ain't connected and takes this thing as a fidget, just a squishy ball. Okay. Then I have my mom's exercise ball. You really think sometimes she takes random things? Then we have this Cloud Bunny, which ain't a fidget either. Then this thing, which ain't a fidget, which uses it as it's cute because it has a little face. Faces are always cute. That's for sure. Yeah, now she takes this thing as a fidget. It probably is. It's a marble mesh. What is it? A marble mesh?
Yep. I made it myself.
No, her friend made it for her.
Well, yeah, together though.
And see, like, these ends are sealed up. So, you know, I might do a lot of pranks on this channel, but just to warn you, that was not a prank. Her friend Molly made it. And my sister, you have to go check out her channel. It's called Harper Plays. She does a lot of Roblox edits and fidget toys trading. She started a new channel, just fidgets. I hope it's just fidgets. I hope so too, Stubby. Okay. Now, let me grab it out of the tub. We have a pea popper. These are especially really cute. Did that one have a face? I didn't see. Oh, yeah, it does. Okay. And we also have this. What is this, Harper?
It is a global. There's 2 more of them.
It's actually not a globo. It's a mini. Oh. Wait, do you guys see this? It has a little bubble, so I think that is a gobble because I haven't seen that before. Then she has this thing, which ain't a fidget. None of these things in her basket are mostly fidgets. Anyway, the thing I think pulls out. Pew, pew. Well, I'm gonna just show you guys her whole basket. Harper, do you have way more than this, or is this all?
These are all of them, but some of them are missing, and I don't know where they are.
That ain't a fidget. Yeah, well, guys, I was going to end this at 12 minutes, but since it's been already 7 minutes and 13 seconds, I am going to let you guys go, and, like, if you're watching this before school, I'm just going to let you get to your busy things. Bye. Peace out.